Greetings all. Welcome back to our English class. I hope you all have watched the previous video lecture of nouns carefully and also understood it well. Let us have a recap of all the topics of nouns, what we have done so far, so that those topics may help you to check the answers quickly. So, what are they? Number one, what a noun is. Number two, kinds of nouns. There we did proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. And I hope their definitions and examples are also understood well to all of you. Then we did with the countable and uncountable nouns. We had also understood with their examples and the usage. Then we did concrete and abstract noun, which also play very important role in understanding this chapter. So after going through them, you may get the concept stronger and clearer. Let us start checking the answers of everyday English grammar. So, exercise A. What does it ask? Identify the proper nouns and rewrite them with proper capitalization. Here, you are asked to read all the nouns and then find out the proper nouns from them. After reading out the list, if you find that the proper nouns are not written in the capital letters, then you will rewrite them with proper capitalization. First word is road, R-O-A-D. Second is Ramu, R-A-M-U. Third is island, I-S-L-A-N-D. Number fourth is Denmark. Number fifth is Thursday. Number six is Easter. Next is poster. Then comes Preeti. Then comes Air India, Discovery Channel. Then comes airport. Then comes Ratan, Jacob, and Shanghai. So this is a list which you have to rewrite them with the proper capitalization if they require so. Children, I hope you have attempted the exercise A very well. Now it's the correction time. You will all check the answers of the given list. Which nouns are to be written in the proper nouns? Here, from the given list, we have sorted out the answers. First is Ramu, where the first letter R should be capital. Then comes Denmark, D should be capital. Thursday, the day of the week. The day of a week is also written in capital letters. Easter is one of the important and famous festivals. Easter, E is capital. Preeti, P is capital. Air India, A is capital. Then comes Shanghai, S is capital. Next list is Ratan, R-A-T-N, R is capital. Jacob, J is capital. And Discovery Channel, D and C are to be written capital. So this way you have to find out the proper nouns and then rewrite them in the capital letters. Exercise B. Match the proper nouns in column A with correct common nouns in column B. In column A, we are given the number of words. But what you have to do? You have to match them because in the column A, we are given the proper nouns, and column B, we are given the common nouns. You have to find the proper nouns to be matched with the common nouns or not. So you have to write them appropriately. First is in the A column, Prem, Azhar and Binay. Then Colgate, Close Up, Pepsodent. Then comes Yamuna, Amazon, Apti. Then comes Justin Trudeau, Angela Merkel, Xi Jinping. Nagpur, Kolkata, Thiruvananthapuram. Next is NDTV, CNN, National Geographic. Hyundai, Maruti, Toyota. Then the last is Diwali, Onam and Eid. While in the B column, you are given the common nouns, but they are not written appropriately. What you have to do, you have to match the proper nouns with the common nouns. Here the list given in B column is car, festival, city, boy, channel, leader, river, toothpaste. Let's see what are the right answers. Answers of exercise B are in column A, there is Prem, Azhar, Binay. It's all given in the capital letters and they are the names of the boy. So they are to be matched with common noun boy. Colgate, Close Up, Pepsodent, they are the toothpaste. Yamuna, Amazon, Tapti, river. Justin Trudeau, Angela Merkel, Xi Jinping, leader. Nagpur, Kolkata, Thiruvananthapuram are the cities. And DTV, CNN, National Geographic, channel. Names of the channel. Hyundai, Maruti, Toyota, they are the names of car. Diwali, Onam, Eid, they are the different festivals. I hope how to match the proper noun with the common noun is clear to everyone. Good, let's go ahead. In exercise C, you are asked to mark the countable nouns as C and uncountable nouns as U. As we have already done with this kind of countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Yes, in the last video lecture, I have explained you the difference between countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So here you have to just see if the object, or we can say noun, is countable, then you will write C before it. If it is uncountable, then you will write U before it. Grass, Grass, can you count it? Okay, so what should you write? C or U? Well, we will write U before it. This is just exercise. How to solve it? Just understand. Then we will check the answers in the next slide. Computer, luggage, sand, juice. Next is basket, sugar, bag, coconut, knowledge. Then comes water, ship, milk, idea and color. So let's see what are the appropriate answers of these nouns. Answers of exercise C are grass is uncountable noun, so write U before it. Computer is countable, so write C before it. Luggage is uncountable, write U before it. Sand, can you count sand? No, not at all possible, so you write U before sand. Juice, U before it. basket C, sugar U, bag C, coconut C, knowledge U, water U, ship C, milk U, idea U, and color C. Next exercise is D, which is based on the new classification of common nouns. Mark the concrete noun as C and abstract nouns as A. In the previous slide, we have written U for uncountable and C for countable. So don't confuse between these two C. Here C is concrete noun and there it was for countable nouns. Here the list provided is fan, clock, cleverness, intelligence, enmity, time, letter, knowledge, love, leaf, tire, and book. So you have to know the difference between concrete noun and abstract noun. As I have already explained you in the last video lecture that abstract nouns can't be touched, but we can just feel them. Here concrete noun can easily be touched. So this is the list of concrete and abstract nouns where you have to differentiate them on the basis of your understanding and on the basis of the definition that you have understood. Well, let's go ahead. Answers of exercise D are fan. What is it? Is it abstract or concrete noun? Yes, it's a concrete noun. Clock. What could it be? Yes, it's concrete noun. Cleverness, abstract noun. Intelligence, abstract noun. Annuity, abstract noun. Time, abstract noun. Letter, concrete noun. Knowledge, abstract noun. Love, abstract noun. Leaf, concrete noun. Tire, concrete noun. And book, concrete noun. Concrete and abstract is already differentiated and you have been explained the difference between them. You need to understand them thoroughly to attempt these kind of exercises. I hope these answers are understood to all of you. Exercise E is based on tick the appropriate category or categories to which each noun belongs. You are given 6 columns. In the first column, we have written the numbers, second nouns, and in the other 4 columns, kinds of nouns. What you have to do, you have to find out the appropriate category, where does it fall in, and then you have to tick them. First noun is Colombia. If it falls in proper, common, countable, or uncountable. After understanding the kind of noun, you have to put that noun into the appropriate category. Then your answer will be correct or incorrect will be checked and you will be given the marks accordingly. Number 2 is attention. Number 3 is microphone. Number 4 sugar. Number 5 equipment. Number 6 diesel. Number 7 apple. Number 8 crocodile. Number 9 mountain. 10 is poetry. 11 is carrot. And 12th is a mole. I hope what you have to do is clear to everyone. And let's check the answers. Answers of exercise E. In this question, you were given a column in which 12 nouns were mentioned, and you have to read the noun and tick the right column. First noun is Colombia. It is proper noun. Second is attention. It comes under uncountable noun. Third is microphone. It's a common noun. Number 4, sugar. It comes under uncountable noun. Number 5, equipment. It comes under common noun as well as countable noun. Diesel. It is a common noun. Even we can say it's also uncountable noun. Then comes apple. Apple is a common noun. Apple is also a countable noun. Crocodile, it's a common noun and also countable noun. Mountain is a common noun as well as a countable noun as well as a common noun. Okay, poetry, it's a common noun or it's a countable noun. If you are given the number of poems, you can count it easily, so it can also be a countable one. Then comes carrot. Carrot is a common noun as well as a countable noun. Amul, it's a proper noun because it's a name of the brand. I hope you all have corrected the answers very well. Kindly see all the answers should be done well in the Everyday English Grammar book. It will help you a lot during the preparation of your final exams. Thank you so much.